What's up, everyone? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I thank you guys for watching this video. Today I want to go back and give you a review. I thought of myself to give another review about the power lead system, and I just want to cover up some things that you may not have known or you may not have really navigated through pretty much in the back office of what all the features that comes with the power lead system. And I'm here today. I want to show you that how this system can help you with your marketing, because here on the online space it's difficult to really stand out from the crowd, which that's what you have to do in order to really get the traction, because you got to think about your competitors. So looking on the outside looking in, from the outside looking in, you want to be able to take this in consideration. If more people are taking these opportunities that you see online and everyone's doing them, you have to ask yourself a question of what separates you from them. What makes you more different than what they are already promoting? So that's something to take in consideration. And the power lead system, with the system of building your own lead capture pages, having your own done for you follow-up emails, all this, and you could customize all this. All this is what separates you from the crowd. And so that's what this system allows you to do. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to show you a couple things once you get into the power lead system. Now, you had a training area right here, okay? Now, this gives you a complete covering on what the system is about, how to set everything up. You want to go into beginners training, and this is give you everything about the power lead system as far as like how to set up your domain, because you need your own domain. You need to know how to create different subdomains. Now, and more systems that you have, you only could be able to have a domain per website. With the power lead system, you're allowed to customize as many emails that you want. And I'm going to go back here. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in case if you're trying to understand. Now, you see where it says manage the subdomains. Okay, I got to log back in. Now, these are the domains. Now, you're accustomed to buy a domain of how many of your choice. They're about $17. You could buy it with the power lead system in the back office. This is the domain that I bought right here. But I could also create subdomains. Like, look, you can see up here 12-minute pretty much affiliate dot my domain, $7 club dot my domain, astroblogs mk dot my domain. So you see how you could create all these different and then you can hook these up to different capture pages. You can assign them to different capture pages. So that's what makes power lead system very, very special, is because you could be able to use this that no other systems could do. Power lead system gives you that flexibility. So let's dig right into the websites here. You can see websites, and you could create. This is how you could attach those subdomains. You see all these subdomains that I have created? You could attach that over here on the power lead system. And these are different capture pages that you could use. These are custom ones that I use through share codes. And I'm going to have deep detail about the share codes that you can use to be able to share out different your landing pages to other members that join up with you. And you see all these different capture pages that I could use. Let's say we click here. They even have one with a survey on it. You could use one with a survey. You see? All right. So we're going back. And you just select one, and then you go from there. And, you scroll at the bottom. You say my choice. Okay. Go back to the training. These different training sites that you can go to, like endless free leads. Once you join up to be a gold member, you can get the endless free leads mobile. That'll teach you how to market online for free. where you don't have to worry about paying any ads. You know, you just have to know how to market. You have to know about how to talk to people, how to engage into your prospects, and you know, it gives you a step-by-step tutorial on, you know, how to relate and talk to people, pretty much. Free ad secrets, show you how to create ads. Roll match the riches. This is one of my favorites. You know, it teach you how to become a good marketer. You know what I mean? Taking you on a journey to know how to present yourself to be a marketer. The mindset that you have to be in, self-development. It teaches you all that. Lots and lots of training. You just have to go back here and check it all out. You know, and this is very helpful so you could get an idea on how to market. So those different types of marketing products that Power Lead System have. If you like to get started with this whole system, that way you can use whatever business that you in, because you could be able to promote your primary business on the back end from it. You can see right here, when I click this button here, it shows you a little video. And whatever primary business, you get to be able to put your business right here. You know, and you get to have the funnel to do it too. So you could be able to promote both Power Lead System and your primary business. That's very powerful. So think about it. They have a system where you have a certain amount of emails that'll go out for your Power Lead System, and then you have a certain amount of emails that'll go out for your primary business. So you kill two birds with one stone here, you know, and that's very powerful. And I don't know a lot of systems out there that does that. And this system been out for about 9 years now, and it has longevity. So, you know, you pretty much go with the system that been out there longer. That shows you that this system still works. It's people that still promoting this system. And a lot of people still use this, and this would be their only choice, the source. They don't even use any other third-party autoresponders. They don't have to. You know, it's all in one. So that's what I wanted to break down to you guys, that Power Lead System still works. I'm still getting results. I'm still getting leads. And this could work for you to bring your other marketing business, all right? So that's all I really had to discuss with you guys. If you want to get started with me with the Power Lead System, the link in the description will be below. You can also get into the Gold membership for only $30 a month. And if you want to become an affiliate to be able to resell these products in the back office, that will be $53 a month, all right? And, you know, hit me up on social media if you have any types of concerns. Give this video a thumbs up. And also hit that subscribe button with the notification bell if you want to get any upcoming videos. You want any other videos that you run to me for me to make, if you request, and I will definitely hit you up on that, all right? So that's it for today. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.